Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup of my new full high definition projector from Groview. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, but let's go ahead and check it out and see how it looks and how it works. This is the one that I was super excited to get. It's like HDMI cable, power cables. That might be the manual in the back. And some audio video cables there. All right, put this down. Oh, look at this bad boy right here. Check out the ports, USB, HDMI. It's got Ethernet on there. Very, very cool. This does support 4K. If you don't have something that's 4K, then naturally 1080. But man, I'm super excited to get this hooked up, see how it looks. So let's hook it up, see how it looks. All right, and here's the item fully hooked up. Super easy, just basic plug and play. I did already hook up one of my streaming devices to it. And as you can see, it's got a couple buttons at the top to power it on and things like that. For all the examples today, I will be using the built-in speaker on there. But as you can see, as all electronics, I always just like to make sure that everything is up to date. But now that it's ready, let's go ahead and go to HDMI. As you can see, because I do have a streaming device hooked up, I am able to access all of the applications that are out there. So for this one, we are going to use Peacock for the example. And we'll just go ahead and pick the first one that we see. And then I'll go ahead and let you hear the sound directly from the projector itself.
Smooth and trotting out, looking to.
So as you can see, the picture quality and the audio quality is really good. So now let's try out a different video on YouTube. We'll do something with just more vocals on it, and here you go.
God bless you. It's great to be with you today, and I hope you'll stay connected with us during the week through our daily podcast, our YouTube channel, social media, and you can come visit us in person.
So as you can see, everything sounds really, really good and looks really good. So now we're going to do something wirelessly. So we'll go ahead and hit iOS cast. As you can see, it also does Android. I'm going to hook up my iPad to this. I'm going to show you how simple it is. You literally just hit screen mirroring, select the device itself, and it's connected and ready to go. So I'll go ahead and just kind of swipe through here so you can see how it looks onto the projector. What's cool is since you can hook up your laptop or your iPad, so this can be used for work purposes. As you can see, I opened up Google Docs on there. And if you don't have a streaming device, you can also just cast it from your iPad or your iPhone like I did here for YouTube. So again, so many different features that you can use for this projector. And the last example that I'll show you is in case if you want to have like a game night, you can also hook up your Nintendo Switch, your PlayStation 5, anything like that. So I'll go ahead and let you hear that through the speakers as well. Alright guys, so there you have it. This thing is like top notch. So it doesn't matter if it's movie night, game night, or you're trying to show like a work presentation. Literally everything looks really, really good on it. So if you're looking for a new projector, I definitely recommend this one. Next, I'm probably gonna do another video of it outdoors. But like I said, just based on what I saw today, on all the things that I tried on it, definitely recommend 10 out of 10.